Hi guys, and welcome back to our next video tutorial of opening your Follow Trade Global account for those who have been always interested in trading stocks but never know how. This unique platform offers a chance to join the world of trading by following top traders carefully selected by Trade Follow Global. You can copy their trading strategies by executing the same exact trade as they do daily. Hence, the more money they make, the more money you make. If you join as a top trader, you get the opportunity to earn 15% commission on all your followers winning trades. These followers will be following your trades, so the more successful trades you make, the more commission you make. I have other jobs and don't have time to research the markets. I choose to be a follower and I hope to be daily earned with between 0.5% to 2% as the company promises. If you haven't already watched our last video on how to open your demo account, I advise you to check it out, as it's a great way to understand how Trade Follow Global works without having to invest actual money. Today, I'm walking you through how to set up a real-life account, transfer real cash, and start earning real money with Follow Trade Global account. So let's get started. By clicking Open Account on the homepage. Here I enter my username. It will be Zach Miller. The display name, my email address. I enter password, confirm password, select my country, prove I am not a robot, and click on the register button. The website will send an email to zachmiller@gmail.com. I will activate my account and see you in login page. Okay, I got the email from Trade Follow Global. Activate my account by clicking on the confirmation link, and now we're gonna log into dashboard. I click on the login, enter my username or email. I use my username, it's Zach Miller, my password, proof I'm not robot. Oops, what's this? So, and click on the login. I log in, and as you can see, unlike the demo account, our balance is at $0. But don't worry, we'll be turning over profit in as little as 1 day. So let's go ahead and deposit some money into our wallets. Now it's important to note that this platform takes deposits in the form of Bitcoin and Ethereum, but the value is shown is represented in United States dollar. So you will need the cryptocurrency wallet already with Bitcoin or Ethereum, ready to be transferred to this address shown in the right hand side. When you adjust the USD amount, the Bitcoin amount will change accordingly, so you know exactly how much to send. For example, if I enter amount of $2,000 in here, I have to transfer 0.31 Bitcoin to Trade Follow Global. If I enter amount of $5,000 in here, I have to transfer 0.78 Bitcoin to Trade Follow Global. Once transferred, click on this link to check the progress of transaction. This process should be almost instantly, but may take a few minutes. Let's copy this address and I will deposit, because I have already tested the demo account and have checked the information about this company. I think this is trustworthy to invest here and copy the trading orders from good traders. I will transfer $3,500. It's equal to 0.5 Bitcoin. Wait for me a little. Bitcoin. Great. Now I have deposited our Bitcoin, and as you can see, I have a balance of $3,500. Now we can go ahead and repeat the same process in our demo video of following some top traders to replicate their trading strategies and make some money. Go ahead and hit the investment button in here. Type in the amount you like to invest in here. Click dollar bill, and now you should see which investment bracket you fall into. Depending on how much money you've been chosen to actually invest, this will affect how many top traders you can follow. I will invest all my $3,500. Click on the bill, then done. The investment amount will go to investing, you can see at the top left corner. And you can see which investment package you own. I'm in the second package and I can follow 3 traders. Let's navigate to the left and click on top traders to find expert to follow. You can click on their profiles to read their bio and trading statistics. Once you choose your experts based on their portfolio and past transactions. I already tried following 3 traders in my demo accounts. Now I think I will follow them all 3 again. Leon Pamel. I follow James McCarthy and Scott. Done. And successful. We turn on to dashboard again. Here is my following list, so it will work for now. Just wait several days for copy trades and getting results. So now I want to help you to get used to some functions of them. Remember that you can withdraw your profit at any time by clicking on withdraw from the left sidebar. Once done, you will see this message telling you to submit identity documents. So when you click on the submit, we're asked to upload 2 photos. One photo of our passport and the selfie of holding a passport. Withdrawn fund will be made in Bitcoins or Ethereum. It's up to you. I will upload mine soon so that I can withdraw if I get profit daily. Once you start turning over some profit and seeing returns, you can check the history in here. This will show you the date, amount of profit or lose in dollar value, as well as 30% win fee taken by TradeFollow Global. So there you have it. After playing around with this platform for some time, it makes a lot of sense. Many of functions we couldn't check, but I will wait until I have profits I will show you. I think following top traders and mimicking their strategies is effective. It's a system where both parties benefit. The followers get the copy strategy and the top traders earn commission from their wins. It is really easy to use and super intuitive. And it's exciting to see your profits coming in after just one day. And of course, if you want to try this service for yourself, please register through my referral link. I will leave my referral link in the description. It's really easy to get started and you could start seeing profit in as little as 1 day, as I already tried in my demo account. I will come back with the profit soon and introduce you more about the affiliate programs. Also very attractive bonus if you can invite more people to TFG. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch my new video in future.